Good morning, guys. So first order of business is we're going to start taking profits on our SPY puts. I was not expecting this weakness in the morning. I'm not going to lie. So these puts are up nice. So we're going to take some profits, and now I'm just going to hold on to the runners. I was not expecting this weakness, to be honest. So not bad. So yeah, all of the puts that we bought on Friday, make sure you guys are taking profits. Leave runners on that. All right. Aside from that, we have to see this weakness is. We have to see if support holds. Basically, let's see. All right, guys. So for everyone that's new to the channel, right? We're going to be trading the 0 DTE SPY contracts, meaning the contracts that expire October 31st. And whenever I say I'm buying into SPY calls or SPY puts, etc., that means that I'm getting into the closest at the money contract. We see IV is up to 48%. Clearly, there's going to be a lot of chop this week. So we have to be very patient. That's it. Let's take SPY puts with a 5-day stop loss. SPY puts to 5-day stop loss. SPY puts 5-day stop loss. Let's see if we get some follow throughs to the downside. We have to lean bearish, but let's see. Make sure you guys are like only light positions. Light positions. This is literally the first few minutes of the day. IV is very, very high. This could be a fake out. So if you're new, honestly, just watch. I don't even know. But just make sure that these are light positions. IV is increasing as this as is falling as well. NASDAQ new low of day, the IWM new low of day, but it's bouncing up. So let's see. I'm going to keep a 1.75 stop loss on the contracts. 1.75. Okay. Yeah, let's just wait. This is choppy stuff. Let's just wait. Let's not get too excited. The puts are up already. Let's not throw away our profits. So currently I'm not holding anything. Let's just wait and be patient. IV shot up another 2% as well. So it's good. So far, pragmatically, we can see that they dropped it down and then ripped it right back up. High of day is still holding, but it's difficult to be bearish, especially after a big move like this. I wasn't expecting us to fall like that. So yeah, most important thing is mitigating your risk. Keep the losses small. IV starting to fall, which should be good for a continuation to the upside. Let's see. So there's the continuations to the upside, but it's a little too risky. Let's see how this candle closes. 386.90 as a stop. Let's take SPY calls 386.90 as a stop. 386.80 as a stop. Let's see if there's continuation to the upside. It makes sense to take a stab at calls here. IV is falling. Let's see if we get a break above 387.33. We're sitting at resistance. So we have to take, unfortunately, we have to be late bulls here. It is what it is. Let's see if we can get a break and close above 387.33. The move to the upside is not as juicy as it should be, to be honest. Contracts are up like $15 for everybody, so this should be up at least 10-15%. So just start taking profits, leaving runners. Don't allow this to start going extremely red. But we are closing above major levels of resistance on the NASDAQ. We're closing above things, which is what we want to see. So, but yeah. But the contract prices are not moving as well as they should. That's the issue. SPY is being held up by the IWM. There's a lot of IWM names that are going to have earnings today. Sorry, earnings this week. But yeah, we're not seeing a substantial amount of follow through. We could see more chop. Yeah, I'm gonna sell the rest out here at 1.5. Let's see if we could go long again at 386.66 as a stop, if we get that. But yeah, so far today, the move, we're not seeing a substantial amount of follow through. So these are very, very, unfortunately, they are quicker than normal. But we're still holding this 386.80. But so when I say that I'm, stop loss at X price, it means that I want to keep a stop loss if the minute candle closes below that. We're looking at the minute. So yeah, you can see that this is very ugly price action. Hmm. 386.66 is holding pretty well. I think the market is very confused that it fell like this as well. I'm very, very shocked to see that the market is opened red. I was expecting us to be flat or green. Apple is down 1.8%. Yeah, so don't get chopped out. Basically, on range bound trading days like this, there's really not that much momentum. So first of all, we have to see which side of the range breaks. Either we're going to break a high of day or a low of day. Aside from that, because the IV is very abnormally high, and because there's going to be a lot of macro news, I was basically saying that today would be a range bound trading day. And on range bound trading days, you have to basically buy when they show a lot of weakness, and you have to go short when they show a lot of strength. So basically, you have to go long at support and short at resistance. NASDAQ is making new lows. So many people are becoming bullish or bearish right now, obviously, because we have a big, like, two big red candles, etc. Right? So now we need to see if they're going to allow these people to become profitable. Because this is clear weakness. It makes all the sense in the world to go short. But because we are still in a range, we haven't broken below low of day on the SPY or the IWM. Things can still bounce back up to 386.70-ish. So let's see. Let's just be patient. IV is starting to drop as well, which should be good for puts. IV dropped another 3%. Also, everyone that's watching on YouTube, I would recommend you guys watch on Twitch. There's no stream delay. There's like a 2-second stream delay if you're watching on Twitch from your laptop or computer. But there's a 5 or 10-second stream delay on YouTube. Yeah. They held support. So they painted a very, very bearish picture. And it made all the sense in the world to go short. But then they ripped it right back up. So we need to see now if... Yeah, we just have to be patient. They're trying to stabilize premiums. Wow. 388 puts are up like 20%. What the hell? This is crazy. I wasn't expecting this weakness. But basically, the more strength we have in the equities market going into FOMC, the less likely the Fed is going to pivot. So basically, if we continue falling and falling and falling, and we're continuing to show weakness starting the week, heading into FOMC, the more likely the Fed is going to ease the brakes on interest rates. Because Wednesday is when we get the news for the interest rates. So now pragmatically, both times today that we saw that IV was starting to fall, right? So earlier on in the morning, we saw that IV was starting to fall as we were headed up. And I said that that would be a good sign for a pop to the upside. And then that next minute, we ended up popping. Similarly, we saw that IV was starting to drop as the move to the downside was happening. And then we saw a big drop right afterwards. So far, we're seeing that they are trying to stabilize IV, and that is, it's working in our favor in terms of continuation. But I want a nice 50% play. I want a nice like 100% play so we can post it online. And then everyone that's like, oh my God, he's lying. Oh, I can't. Can't wait. Can't wait. I haven't even looked at the chat. IWM big pop off the lows. The NASDAQ and the SPY are basically flat. We're not seeing a substantial amount of follow through. On a normal day, this should start like flying. 385.80 would be a perfect stop loss. We could just take this trade and this would end up retesting VWAP to 386.70, but we're not seeing a lot of strength. Buying pressure. Basically, if the NASDAQ gets its act together, then the SPY can really start flying. Because the IWM is doing really, really well. But the NASDAQ is holding the SPY back. $277 is major support on the NASDAQ as well. So the longer that we can hold that as support, the better it is for the SPY, obviously. We're gonna have to take SPY calls with a low day stop if this holds on this candle. They're painting a very very interesting day. We're gonna have to take these if this holds, unfortunately. And then what's gonna end up happening is we're gonna fall to like 385. If it doesn't hold, yeah, we're gonna have to take SPY calls, low of day stop loss. SPY calls, low of day stop loss. Yeah, essentially if this doesn't hold, then we're gonna have to try to go long again at like 385. But they are painting a very bullish picture. The NASDAQ held support. It is what it is. All right, cut these. I'm gonna go long again, 385, 33 stop. 385, 33 stop. Let's get a nice close above 386.20. And then this could hit VWAP again. Take profits and don't let this go back red. Obviously this worked out, but don't we have to basically just move on. Each trade is a different trade. So far this is working, but yeah, we made a new low of day. We wicked. Everything is pointing to a continuation to the upside. So solidify some profits. We had to adhere to our stop loss, and then as soon as we saw another good opportunity to go long, we just went long. And that's the fun part about this week, because there's going to be a lot of choppiness. So you have to be able to act quick and move on. So you can see that the SPY is basically holding, the 10 SMA is acting as very strong resistance on the SPY. But the NASDAQ is trying to break above 288 again. So 288.10 is major resistance on the NASDAQ. If we can close above that twice, we should see a continuation to the upside. Either way, if they're going to bring it up, now is the time to bring it up. Contracts are starting to move a little too fast, though, unfortunately. Let's see. Contracts are moving a little too well. Yeah, make sure you guys are taking profits. Make sure you guys are taking profits and don't allow this to go back red wherever you guys entered. Obviously, if you guys entered on that candle at 10 a.m., whether it was like 1.6, just make sure that you have that as a stop. Ooh. Yeah, now's like, I mean, this is a perfect time for them to rip it up, but let's see. Almost got faked out with this move to the downside. Imagine how many people became bearish as we closed below low of day, only for it to rip right back up afterward. So that's the thing with trading. You have to be very, very quick to changing your buys, especially on a range bound choppy day like today. Last week it was just so easy. Everything was fluid. Okay. You can see the NASDAQ failed to break above 288. Okay. It's risky to take another position here, either long or short. It's risky. There's no good RR for either direction at the moment. But pragmatically, obviously we can see that the market is weak today, intraday. It's 277 is still holding as support on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ breaking below, wicking below 277. This could be another buy. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to. We're gonna have to take SPY calls 385, 30 stop. Low of day held. This could be another choppy trade. It is what it is. We have to take these when they're given. Not enough buying pressure. Any other day, this would start flying. But because there's a lack of buyers today. And once again, it was just very, very weird that we ended up red. So all of these good bullish opportunities are not flying as much as they should. So this is going to be a day of like taking small profits. Unfortunately. $386 is still acting as resistance. Let's see if we can get two closes above the 10 SMA on the SPY on the minute chart. But the NASDAQ is trading below the 10 SMA. But it's trading above 277, so yeah, we have to, I mean, that's what it is. We have to take the opportunities when they're given. Take some small profits. Yeah, take some small profits and then just have a stop loss at break even. Let's see if we can get another pop to the upside. Support is holding. We closed twice above the 10 SMA. Yeah, okay. Let's get a close above 386. Any other day, these would be flying. Like, these would already be at 386.70, but there's no buyers. But when they are giving such bullish opportunities, you have to take them, regardless of how much we got chopped out already today. Okay, start taking some profits here as well. Basically, we closed above 386, which is great, but don't expect this to continue going up. We could, but not 100% guaranteed. But if they're going to do it, has to be now. Yeah. Either within this minute or the next minute. This is a shooters shoot market. We're only entering on very high quality trade setups. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. That's the fun part. SPY is at 50 SMA as resistance. Nice. Contract should be up like $25 for everybody. the NASDAQ is just so heavy. That's the problem. The NASDAQ is just very, very heavy. But the IWM is almost testing a new high of day. If the NASDAQ can get its butt in gear, then everything will be great. Okay. All right. 386.66. Thank you. About damn time. All right, I'm selling majority here, and I'm leaving the rest for 386.20. Very, very garbage price action today. But at least we caught this move. If we didn't catch this move, then yeah. Oh well. It's only 10:17. If you're only holding one contract, you should sell it. But I'm not your financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but the contracts are up 30%. So probably sell. But yeah, this is what trading is. You just need to have more bullets in the chamber. If you know, over time, trading is just a numbers game. Not every trade is going to be a winner, but as long as you have capital and you don't blow up your capital, you can continue trading, and in the long run, you can be profitable. That's it. You just have to try your best to continue taking high quality trade setups. So the first two trades, whatever. First trade was a little bit profitable, but there was no follow through. The second trade was a little bit profitable, but there was no follow through. So the first two trades definitely a little choppy, right? If you throw your entire portfolio into those sort of trades, then you wouldn't have the capital to play these better setups later on in the day. So that's what it is. Trading is just a numbers game. Try to put the same amount of money into every single trade. And then after a while, allow the math to work in your favor. This is risky to go long here, but they're, yeah. I think that second trade too, as soon as we sold, I re-entered. So hopefully you guys didn't sell. TikTok is also not TikTok isn't delayed. It shouldn't be delayed. Don't send me any gifts. Please do not send me anything. I just looked at the TikTok chat. I don't want any gifts. Don't send me anything. I don't want any gifts. I don't want any donations. I don't want anything, please. But I appreciate it. But I don't appreciate it. Please do not send anything. Thank you. But yeah, now we just have to be patient. And that's it. Not every play is going to be a friggin' 50, 100% play, unfortunately. As much as that would be nice. How do we know when he puts in the trade? I verbally tell you guys that I'm buying into SPY call. So, all right, so look at your option chain right now, right? Hold on. 1 second. This might be a good long. Damn, this might. Damn. I hope this drops back to 386. We can get another entry. But if they were gonna bounce it, they're gonna bounce it off this level. Crap. All right, whatever. Real quick, look at your option chain, guys, and you'll see SPY 31st October expirations. Right? If I say I'm getting into SPY calls, I'm only trading the at the money contract. So the at the money contract currently is 387. Fudge. Do not bounce. Anyway, whatever. If I say I'm getting into SPY puts, it means that I'm getting into 386 puts because it's the at the money puts. So yeah, when I say I'm getting into, oh, hey guys, I'm going long, I'm buying SPY calls, boom. I'm getting the closest expiration date at the money call or put. That's it. Donate anything you get. I don't want any. I'll donate my own money. I don't want to donate your money. I appreciate it though. I remember the days when you would average 150 viewers. How many viewers I have? 508. Yeah, bro, that's crazy. I told you guys months ago that everyone was just very, very early to what was going on. Told you guys. Months and months ago, we were having 50, 100 viewers. Now it's gotten to a point where people think that there's bots in the chat. Do you market or limit? I market. It's impossible to scalp with limit. The bull bear line for the NASDAQ is 277. So if we're comfortably trading above 277, then we can comfortably be bullish on the SPY because we already clearly see strength out of the IWM. But the reason why we're not seeing strength out of the SPY is because the NASDAQ is trading below 277. So what I'm looking at is if the NASDAQ can reclaim 277 and comfortably trade above it, then the SPY is going to comfortably move up. Does that make sense? That's basically what I'm looking at the moment. And because the NASDAQ is now, failed at 277, the SPY is also falling and the NASDAQ made a new low of day. 276.5 is support on the NASDAQ. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. But it's risky to try to go long. But let's see. Let us see. IV is only 40% now, which is nice. It's early. It's sort of early to go long. I want to be a little greedy and wait for 385.30, 385.40 on the SPY. But NASDAQ is bouncing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, guys. It is what it. Oh crap! This could be another good. Oh. IV is dropping. 276.5 is holding a support. The IWM is at support. Damn it, we're gonna have to go long. This is such an ugly long opportunity though, but damn. I don't know if we're gonna have follow through. That's the issue. They're painting a very, very bullish picture, but I'm not convinced of the follow through to the upside. So if we do go long, this could just be another 1 or 2 minute move, and that's not really. Ugly. Ugly price action. They're really, really making us go long. Ugh, morons. Morons, bro. Damn. Bro. Ugly setup. New low of day on the NASDAQ. Broke below 276.5. Thank goodness we didn't go long. Ugly setup. We might have to go long with this candle. We hit that 385.50. Oh my god, this is ugly. Now people are going to start going long, and then they could fill the wick back down. Let's see. This is a lot of buying pressure though. We wicked below low stop losses. Definitely got a lot of people stop loss. Basically, everyone that was going long with like these lows as a stop loss, they wicked below it. And now what usually happens is they fill a portion of this candle down and then continue up. So we should be going long here with a stop loss at 383.50. That's basically what they want now. So, all right, we're going to have to take SPY calls. Damn. All right. Wow. Yeah, we're going to have to take SPY calls. 383.50 stop. SPY calls 383.50 stop. Very, very ugly setup. But it is what it is. I wanted closer to 385 before going long, but these idiots couldn't do that. So ugly price action. Disgusting. Look at this range in the past 10 minutes. Look how tight this range is. NASDAQ new low of day, broke below 276.50. We're teetering at support. This is another buying opportunity for people that didn't already buy. And this was the same setup that we sold initially earlier on in the morning. And then we bought right afterward, and then we ripped up. So let's see if there's going to be a continuation upwards. Normally, I would have averaged down on that little pop, and then we would have had like a nice little average. But today's not that sort of day where we average down and play aggressive to the long side, because we can clearly see that there is no substantial buying pressure to begin with to justify averaging down, etc. But yeah, they definitely made a lot of people bearish on these last 3 minutes. And then what did they do? They ripped it right back up. So yeah, it's one of those days. The NASDAQ is sitting at 276.5. I'm going to lower my position size. Obviously, you know, this is still, I sold for a loss, but I'm lowering my position size. And even if we do get back up above 386, it should be good. But if they're going to bring it up, now's the time to bring it up. This setup is an opportunity for them to bring it up. But if we fall down, I don't want to lose a lot of money. And that's the thing with trading. Risk mitigation. So we bought. All right, back to break even. But yeah, let's just see if buyers can start stepping in aggressively. So yeah, this move to the downside was literally the exact same setup as 10 a.m. where we initially went long and then had that big pop. And yeah, every single time in the past few weeks where I say I'm lowering my position size, we end up skyrocketing. So let's see if that is going to be the case here. I don't think it is, because there's not a lot of buying pressure, but let's see if buyers can start stepping in. IWM is breaking, closing above the 200 SMA, which is nice. The NASDAQ is breaking and holding above 276.5, which is also nice. But the SPY is very heavy. 386 is major resistance on the SPY. So let's see. Oh dear. Nice. Piece of crap. Oh, Hamid lowered his position size. Go all in. Oh damn. Yeah, take whatever. Take profits. This should be up everyone at least like 10-15%. Now you just leave runners. If they're gonna bring it up, then 385.8 needs to remain as a stop loss. But we're getting to the top of the range on the NASDAQ. 277 is the top of the range resistance. But the IWM showing strength. It's risky to go long here, so just be careful about going long. That's the issue. So for late bulls, everyone that goes long here is going to be a late bull. So are they going to reward late bulls on this setup? I don't think so, because there's not enough buying pressure. Wow. Ooh. Okay, we got two closes above the 10 and the 50 SMAs on the SPY. But the NASDAQ is still trading below resistance. So it's risky to try to add to longs here aggressively. That's the issue. Wow. Nice. Literally every single time I lower my position size, it pops. This is another positive trade, so just don't allow this to go red now. We're sitting at 277 resistance on the NASDAQ. Don't expect us to just continue churning up. We could, because I lowered my position size. So let's see. 50 SMA on the NASDAQ, coinciding perfectly with 277. Now is technically, it's a good level to go short. But we're not going to go short. We just need to recognize, are they going to reward bears that are basically going short here at resistance? Because there's clearly a lot of buying pressure at the moment. We caught the bottom, whatever, we didn't sell. We should have averaged down, but it is what it is. So everyone that's trying to go short here, what is going to happen? Are they going to rip it up to 386.60? Ooh, big green candle on the NASDAQ. Yo, the freaking Hamid indicator, bro. Oh, he lowered position. All right, all in. Damn. All right, so there's three. Wow, bro. All right, take profits, and now just you're good. This is another solid trade. If you're only holding on to one contract, the contract is up substantially. 1.4 to 1.8. Got a good solid pop. We caught. So yeah, we got chopped out during the first few minutes. They were small gains, it is what it is, but then we caught this move to the upside. 1 second. Yeah, so we caught this move to the upside. We caught this move to the upside, and then we caught this move to the upside. We didn't get faked out with this long. I wanted us to fall a bit lower, and then we went long right here, and here we go. We could have averaged down here, but this setup right here at 10:36 a.m. was the exact same setup of 10 a.m. So, yeah. It is what it is. Got flagged as a day trader. All right, guys. Everyone that is trading, you guys should have a cash account. If you don't have, so look, if you don't have a 25K, obviously you have to adhere to, oh my God, you know, I can only do 3 day trades per 5 business days, blah, blah, blah. That is complete bullcrap. That's just a way for brokerages to make money off of you. All right. So, well, you, damn, 1 second. So much to say. All right, look. So, I would recommend everyone Google cash account. You guys should open up a cash account on like TD Ameritrade. With a cash account, you could have $2,000 in your account, and you could literally make 10 different $200 day trades every single day. So, say for example, you got two racks. You could put one trade is $500. Now you have $1,500 left to play with for the day. Another $500 trade. Now you have $1,000 left to play with for the day. And then for that last trade, whatever, you could do whatever you want. But that's 3 trades. Usually you would get flagged as a pattern day trader. But with a cash account, you can make unlimited trades as long as your buying power is there. All right. So definitely look into getting a cash account. It will change your life. Guaranteed. You're welcome. You're welcome. I would not recommend using Webull for day trading or Robinhood or any of these. You can't do market orders on close dated contracts. All right, let's see if there's another trade. Just zoom out. Look at the price. Look at this price action so far. 385.20, 387.50. We've been trading within a $2 range for the past hour and a half. That has not happened in quite some time. So this just goes to show that got some choppy price action. Everyone should be green, definitely. And I was really not expecting us to open up red like that. That is probably one of the scariest things to me. Like, I wasn't expecting us to be red at open. I was expecting us to be blindingly bullish for the next few days. But the puts that we bought on Friday, they worked out. Was not expecting that to be up 20% so early, but what we do. Another good longing opportunity. Shit. The issue is that there's not a substantial amount of follow through or buy volume. Any other day, we would have went long right now. We would have 100% just went long 380, 386 stop. But because this is a range bound trading market, it's not a guarantee that we're going to continue up. So it is what it is. Oh man, I think we might have to go long anyway. No, please. Like, let's just get a retest of 386. Don't do that to us. This move to the upside could end up breaking above high of day. That's the issue. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna be patient. I'll be right back. But, oof, damn. Any other day we would have went long. My heart. Oh man, my heart is telling me to go long, bro. Damn. Okay. If 386 can hold, then we should go long with 386 stop. Damn. Yeah, fudge. Thank goodness. Because if they were going to bring it up, that would have been a perfect opportunity for them to bring it up. But then everyone that went long on that setup got ripped. So if they do want to actually bring it up, they're going to bring it down, cause some pain to these guys that went long, have them switch bearish, and then they're going to rip it up. So now we're just waiting for them to create a bottom over here. Ooh, this is such a good freaking long opportunity. I'm gonna go long 385.70 stop. SPY calls 385.70 stop. Oof. 385.70 stop. Damn, if we missed that, I would have been so upset. Nice. So yeah, basically that's exactly what happened. They just wanted to make all of these people that went long here, they wanted them to become bearish and then rip it up. And that's what we were waiting for. Yep, very nice. Very nice. The proof is in the pudding, everybody. Take profits, leave runners, don't let this go red. You could keep a stop loss at break even now. We caught this move. Very nice. Good job. Patience pays. And yeah. So we saw that there was clearly buying pressure here, right? In these past few minutes, there was clearly buying pressure. That's why I really wanted to go long. But they could not sustain it. And then resistance ended up holding, and then we just waited for them to rip it down. We caught support, and then we went long over here. Take profits. Don't allow this to go red. Definitely do not allow this to go red. We're sitting at VWAP now. VWAP is major resistance on the SPY. We need a nice break and close above 386.33. I'm not sure if that's going to happen. But that was a quick scalp nonetheless. Now you basically can keep a stop loss to remain in profit. Bulls want this to remain above 385.90. Any other day, guys, this would be flying. This would be a new high of day, like within 5 minutes, 6 minutes. But because garbage price action, and because we opened red, that's the main reason. Because we opened red, that's why these pops aren't working. Very nice, very nice. 386.35 remains as resistance. So many people are going to want to start going long here. Are they going to reward these late bulls? We are not late bulls. We went long down here. So everyone that's going long, oh, we're holding support. This is a bull flag, blah, blah, blah. They're basically going long at resistance. And they are rewarding these mother flounders, which is nice. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a close above VWAP. Took some more at 1.6. NASDAQ is holding really well. The IWM is sitting at resistance. The 10 SMA is resistance. This is a solid trade. This was a solid trade. Any other day, man, we would have broken a new high of day. I would have asked for ones in the chat. It would have been a nice, comfortable explosion to the upside. But the market is very heavy. All right, contract should be up like 20% for everybody. So if you're only holding one contract, definitely take some profits and just move on. Wait for the next trade. We're at resistance on the SPY, 386.70. I'll be right back. I was trying to leave her at like 10:50 and then just waited for that drop, and then we caught the long, which is good. So we should be good. I'll be back. Make sure you guys took profits and you're keeping a stop loss and profit. Whoever tries to promote any of their stuff in the chat is getting banned. So, it said, you guys want some passive income? No, we don't actually. I have to ban you, brother. Sorry. Yeah, I just banned him. That's weird. You said you want some passive income? No, we don't want passive income, bro. All right. Anyway, these calls are doing. Whew. Nice. Oh, he's scamming people. Oh, I understand. It's completely understandable why you guys would think that I'm scamming and why this is like whatever, too good to be true. I completely understand, guys, but the proof is in the pudding, bro. I'm not asking anything for anybody. I'm not asking you guys to sell nothing, bro. I'm not asking you guys to send me gifts. I'm not nothing. Like, I'm doing everything just purely just to help. I wholeheartedly believe that the more good-hearted people in the world that have money, the better the world is going to be. That's it, period. I'm forcefully changing the industry. Everybody, all of these people that charge, at the end of the day, all it is marketing. They come, they take other people's trades, they go and rent out whatever cars, they rent out like a nice Airbnb, take some pictures, get all of their friends and family members to withdraw all of the freaking cash that they have some stacks of hundreds. Oh, damn, man, I'm making money, boom. And then they have a bunch of people paying them subscription money. $387.33 is resistance. That's why we ended up failing at that level. But the contracts are still up at least 40%. So you guys should take some profits if you guys haven't already. But it is what it is. That's it. At the end of the day, I started learning how to trade 12 years ago. I got scammed a lot. So a lot of people just were good at selling. And I was naive and I needed to make money. I was very interested. So what I'm wholeheartedly doing is I'm trying to be the person that I wish there was 10, 11, 12 years ago. So I'm trying to tangibly show you guys my exact thought process for everything. And hopefully in the next few months, you're never going to even need to watch. Like, you're going to be able to be wherever you are in the world, trade, scalp, do whatever you want. But I think this is the best way for people to learn how to trade, to be honest, watching someone do it live. At the end of the day, man, like, if I can help people make a few extra $100, a few extra like a few $1,000s a month. That goes so long. That goes so far for people. So that's what I do this for. I'm doing it to try to help. And that means the world to me, honestly. That's all I'm doing this for. The less stressed out, because I know that men, in general, one of the biggest stressors that people have is money. If I can go and help people make money or show them how to do it, then I'm alleviating people's stress. So then what that does is people are less stressed out when they go home and they spend time with their families. They have more quality time with their families, their wives, their kids. Everyone around them gets the best version of them because they're not worried and stressed. Because we've all been there. We've all stressed out about money. And we all know how much that affects us. But if I can do something tangibly to try to help that, then that's all I need, bro. That's all I want, man. It does sound too good to be true. I'm not asking for anything. You guys could continue watching these streams forever. I'm never gonna ask you guys for anything. One second. I hope no one sent me any gifts or nothing, but yeah, no gifts, nothing. Please don't send me crap. Anyway, if I can do that, that's all that matters. No, I go live on Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok as well. But yeah, man, that's it. I'm the only person that does this live completely for free for options day trading. Like, there's no one else in the industry that does this. And I understand. Like, that's why a lot of people are skeptical. Like, oh, is she for real? Da, da, da. I'm for real, and I'm an amazing trader. That's the best part about it. So, it is what it is. And again, I'm not saying all this to make me seem whatever special, da da da. Like, I'm not special. I'm literally a normal person. If I can do it, anybody could do it. You have to believe that. You have to have conviction and confidence in yourself that if this bearded guy online is going live like this, I can do it too. And he's going live and he's sharing all of his trades and da 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 da. You guys can do better than me. You just put in the work and you guys can do better than me. That's it. That's what I want. The more good-hearted people in the world with money, man, the better the world is going to be. If I can help people make an extra few whatever dollars or whatever in their state, they can help the people around them over there. That's what I want. Pay it forward. That's it. And at the end of the day, man, real recognize real. I'm just going to continue doing this. I'm never going to charge anyone $1 for anything. It is what it is. You could ask. I mean, you could, whatever. But yeah, man. That's why, like, whatever, man. But yeah. I promise you guys, like, I really want the best for everybody. That's it. At the end of the day, man, like, yeah, bro, it is what it is. You should look to try to make a 0 delay on Twitch. Yeah. I do have it on 0 delay on Twitch. So lies. What the hell is happening? What do you mean lies? But it's okay. I mean, it makes sense. Some people are just very skeptical. It is what it is. You'll see that I'm gonna continue doing this for the next few months, next few years, and then everyone's gonna come around. Oh, okay, okay. Alright. Alright. Yeah, guys, sorry I didn't see like the comments or the questions and stuff like that. We're currently just holding on to SPY call runners that we got down here. No, so unless I specify the expiration date, I always buy the closest expiration date. So today we're only trading the 0 DTEs. This is the 1 minute chart. But also drop the beard routine. Nah, I'm just Pakistani, bro. We just grow hair. Nothing special. Bro, we have facial hair coming out the womb, bro. Yeah, this is the 1 minute chart. Why are you using a voice change? I'm not. What? So if you're, I would recommend everyone use either TD Ameritrade or IBKR. How many gas stations do you own? What a layout, bro. People are rude, bro. People are rude, man. How many gas stations do you own? You keep following me, you could buy one. But I hope, honestly, I hope you don't follow me. I'm just kidding. I'll block you, brother.
That's why I like Khabib in them.
But yeah, there's no new positions to open up. We're just holding on to runners. 386.50 is most likely going to hold as support. And then if we don't hold that level of support, we're going to like have like a small like impulsive move down probably to 386.20 and then bounce from there. That's what I'm expecting. But at the moment, I'm just holding on to runners. But yeah, man. Anyway. Wow, what the hell is happening here? But yeah, now is definitely not the time to add into any new positions. But yeah, guys, also everyone that's still watching here, I'm assuming that you guys like, you know, you guys like support me enough to watch this for 2 hours, right? at the end of the day, I'm just asking you guys to just be patient with me, because I'm a normal human being as well, and I'm trying my best. So I hope you guys understand that, and thank you for your patience in advance. Everyone that's watching on YouTube, I would highly recommend watch the stream on Twitch on your laptop or your computer, because there is very little stream delay. Let me link the doing great. We love you. Thank you. All right, let's get a new high day on the SPY. I just shared the Twitch link. I would recommend everyone go to Twitch and follow me on Twitch and watch me there instead of on YouTube. Yeah, man. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for all your love and support, man. I'm just looking at the chat and like it's nothing but that's crazy, bro. That really means a lot. I would expect a lot of people to show a lot of hate, but it's beautiful. Thank you so much. Here we go. All right. Contract should be up 50% for everybody. If you guys made money today, you guys know what to do. If you guys made money today, I need to see some ones in the chat. Everyone, oh, he's a bot. He has a bunch of bots in the chat. Ones. Show the bots. Show that you guys are bots, man. That's it. Just show you guys are bots. Beep boop. Beep boop beep. I need to see way more ones than that. Way more ones than that. This is not enough ones. That's crazy. What a blessing, man. Honestly, what a blessing. This is a crazy blessing, honestly. Like, I don't even know what to say, man. I'm just very... This is crazy, honestly. It's crazy. Yeah, man. But yeah, guys, everyone on TikTok that's watching from the For You page, make sure you guys click in and join the stream. And then make sure you guys are following me. Make sure you guys like the video on YouTube. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitch. Do all that good stuff, man. This is I don't even know what to say. I promise you guys, this is not, I'm nothing special. I promise you. Anybody can learn how to do this. That's the best part about this. Anybody can learn how to do this. How do I get started? Just found this. You can send me a DM on Instagram or a DM on Discord. I could send you some courses that you could watch. Your first thing should be to learn technical analysis. On the chart, I just have the Bollinger Bands on the minute. I don't really use this indicator at all. It's just there. I don't know why. It's just there, to be honest. I don't really use it for scalping. I scalp purely based off of support and resistance. I trade order blocks. What do you think about this strategy? Yeah, order blocks are basically just different levels of supply and demand. But yeah, couple that in with support and resistance lines. I can't message you on Discord. You have to change your settings to allow to message non-friends. The orange line is the 20 exponential moving average. This is the SP 500, the SPY. Easy 600 day today. Well done, Hamid. It's crazy. This chart is tradingview.com. I stream on TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube, and Facebook. Yeah, on my chart. So this TradingView chart is not the chart that I look at for trades. What I have on my actual TradingView chart is not TradingView. On my scalp, whatever. What I use is the VWAP, the 10, 50, 200 simple moving averages, as well as support and resistance lines. Everything else is just, you know, you don't really need anything else. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. The channel is the same name as the TikTok. Common Trades. Yeah, I use every strategy. Whenever there's a good strategy to use, I use it. All right, guys. We had a pretty decent day today. The 2 trades in the morning were small winners, but then they were chopped out. But how many trades? All right. Yeah. Take care. I love you guys. I'm still holding on to runners. We can easily just continue flying, but it's not really safe to enter into any new trades in my opinion. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, no, yeah, there's no point of over trading now. We had a good day. And that's it. If you guys have any questions or whatever, send me a DM on Instagram or send me a DM on Discord. If you can't send me a message on Discord, then you have to change your user settings to allow to send messages to non-friends. All right. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. I love you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Overall, a pretty good day. All right. Take care. I love you guys. Have a good one.